Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO expert, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can run an amazing Google search campaign in 2024. So without wasting any time, let's get started on how you can create an amazing Google search campaign for 2024. So while creating a campaign, that Google is a major search engine market shareholder, and that with me working in this field for around 15 years, I have found that one of the best converting leads you can get is from Google Ads, and that too from search traffic, and that is purely targeted buying intent traffic. So that is a very golden market. So in case if you need any help, me and my team can help you as well in creating an amazing campaign. But let's get started on how you can create. So this is an default page over here. Let's say we are going with another account, and that we are a Google partner company, so we have amazing awesome account. So let's say this is a dashboard of a uh, Google Ads account. So what you have to do is simply select the new campaign button. Once you select the new campaign, you are going to be presented with 8 different goals you can create for your ads on with Google Ads. Now, because you want to run a search campaign, you can see that you can even run a search campaign at a sales campaign. Like in case if you want more sales for your website, you can run the sales search campaign. In case if you are looking for leads, so leads is ideally for those who are insurance websites or banking websites, or where a sales process or a sales funnel is over there, and the first part is to get the lead done, and the second part is to convert them on a call or present them with a customized proposal. Then the leads is a very good thing over there. And in case if you need a general website traffic, then the website traffic is a very good. In case if you want more traffic on your website, and in case if you want people to encourage more product and brand consideration, is also a good comment, but that is not for search. And in case if you want to do branding campaign, you can run the brand awareness and search. And in case if it's a mobile apps, you can run the app promotion. Or in case if you want to drive traffic to your local stores, or in case if you want to drive traffic to your offline store, offline places, you want people to come over there, run the local store campaign, or create a campaign without a goal guidance, you can also run this as well. So you can select any goal. Let's say we are going with a sales goal, because that is a very popular and common goal with people over here. And I have seen major either go with the sales or either go with the leads. Then we have some local search campaigns where people go with the local stores and visit. So let's say we are going to a sales campaign. Okay, you can select your conversion action, and your conversion action is to either get a sale or subscribe or whatever is goal. Once it's set, you can also set it by going to tools and setting, and select it by moving to the conversions. And all you have to do is to place a code on your thank you page. So make sure whenever there is a successful sales done on, you get a notification. Once you select this, select the continue button and select the campaign. Now that the Google present you with search, performance max, display and shopping, and video and demand generation. Demand generation is a new add-on where you can run ads on YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and more. That is the new add-on. Or otherwise, the performance max is all mixture of all the Google network works. But because it's a search-based campaign, so I guys recommend you guys to go with a search campaign and select how do you want people to reach your goal. You want more website visits, you want more phone calls, you want more store visits, you want more app downloads. So let's say we are going to have more visits, and let's say I'm going to recommend it to my default agency page. I'm going to mention my website over here, and I'm going to write my name as a sales search arswebs.com campaign. So simply select the continue. Once I select the continue, Google is asking on your bidding procedure. What do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on getting more conversions? You want to focus on more clicks, and you want to focus on impression share. Okay, for new campaigns, my recommendation is to go with the clicks or impression share. Conversion only works when you have a data where Google has got ample of data, like you got few conversions, and Google get to know that which kind of traffic is working well for you, then go with the conversion. But if it's a new campaign, go with the clicks or impression share. With clicks, you have an option of manual CPC or automatic CPC, and with impression share, you can, if you want to show your website on only specific ad positions, like you want to show on your top positions or absolute top positions, go with impression share. Or otherwise, clicks is a good option as well. And you can set a maximum click. Let's say I want my people to come at 3.3. Okay, this may fluctuate, and you can increase your quality score to decrease your CPC cost. So to best way to decrease your CPC is to increase your quality score, and through that you can reduce your cost. And there's another as well, that like in case if you want to bid for new customers only, but I do not suggest you to take on this, because sometimes people take time to get your website converted, and it takes multiple visits. So I do not recommend you to offer the bid for new customers. But in case if it's a new brand, it's an old or established or a big brand, so you can offer a bid for new customer as well. But again it varies from niche to niche. So if you ask me, I do not recommend you to add the include search partners, and because it's a display campaign, so you have to remove the display network as well. Also, Google is recommending you can get more traffic, but my recommendations are not with this. So audience segments, you can add audience segments as well. You can also do by observation or by targeting. In case if you want to target people with specific intent, specific niche, or specific area, or a specific thinking, or a specific mindset, you can do by observation or by targeting. Let's say you want to target people like news and politics or education, so you can select from over here as well, and then select the next. Okay, by default Google may suggest you default broad match campaigns, but people asking me which keyword match type to choose on. So for keyword match type, my recommendations are to go with the phrase match or exact match. These two are the best match. The broad match is not going to work and it's going to waste your money. In case if you have to have separate money available, you can send it to me, but do not waste on broad match. But rather you can use phrase match or exact match. All you have to do is to add these quotation mark to make it as a phrase match, and structure your campaign very good. It is very important to have multiple campaign ad groups, multiple campaigns for different cities, different locations. You can get to know what places are working well for you, what locations are working well for you, and then you can select over here, and then you can see your default ad. By default Google is going to give you an average based ad. You can see over here as well, with extensions, settings, everything almost done. You can also add side links, you can also add call out your phone number, you can also add other things as well. So let's say this is awesome thing as well, but we are going to go back to the campaign settings. Here is one thing which I forgot, was the locations. You can add on locations. Let's say if you want to target a specific location, you can select any country, or you can add other location. You can go to even advanced location and do a specific pinpoint targeting, or you can also do a radius targeting as well. Let's say I want to target people in New York. I'm going to add New York over here as well, and here is this city is being created. And if in case if I wanna target specific locations, let's say I can see over here as well that I want to target Oshawa, and that to 4 or 5 miles. I can do that as well by doing radius targeting, and I'm going to write over here as Oshawa, Canada, and here you can see that Google has targeted this area as well. So I'm targeting New York plus Oshawa over here. I'm going to save. You can see that I can run pinpoint targeting as well. Now I'm moving back to my budget. Google has suggested me a default budget, but again I can select any budget according to my preference. Then I can set my custom budget as well, or other budget as well. Okay, for let's say we are going with this budget. Okay, all you have to do is to go to next. Here you can see that the campaign is already ready to be published, but there are a few things which I like to tell you guys on that are very important, and that are very important. That first of all, that the landing page is very important. If you guys do not have a good landing page, your chances of running a successful campaign may fail. So you guys need to work on a good landing page. You also need to work on ads. You also need to try out on the ads, and I also suggest you to create different campaigns for different locations. You guys have an idea on what location is working well for you. Also, I suggest you to work around on your timings to figure out what timings are working well for you. These are few of the things which you can opt on. And in case if you need a professional assistance in running your Google ads, Facebook ads, or SEO campaigns, me and my team can help you with that as well. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description, and you can work with me and my team to create an amazing, awesome Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, or Google search merchant center campaigns. And here I can see now let's move back to my topic. Here I can see my goal, my search, my sale, everything is over here. I can even change or fluctuate any goals later on as well. I can add my audiences later on, change my locations, add my languages, do timings, fluctuations. So now what I'm going to do is I simply select the publish campaign. Once I select the publish campaign, the campaign is going to be simply going to be published. So here is the comment is going to be published. So this is an easy guide for anyone who was looking to create an amazing Google search campaign. I hope you guys like it. So in case, again, I'm saying it out, that in case if you need a professional services in making your campaign, which stands out in the crowd and your competitors, we over do extensive comparative research and analysis on what your competitors are doing to make you stand out of the crowd. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and work with me and my team to create an amazing campaign. And in case if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share this video, plus subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I get a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. I hope you like this Google Ads search campaign for 2024 video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.